What's up everyone, welcome back to another drawing tutorials. Artreasure has today brought you Lion. So, I'm a landscape page and I'll suggest you to draw with a pencil and an eraser. So make sure sketch light and hit the pause button if I go fast. Alright, so we have his eyes right here. Pupil with a yellow spot. My bad, that's a black spot. So let's just make it like that. Something around that eye. And it's kind of having the brows above like that. So now we move for the left eye. So it just starts with this portion as well. Kind of like this structure. Then again that black part, the outer yellow. Right, so black again. Alright. Now again some texture around it eye. Eyebrow. Then he's got his forehead. And it gets a head that leads to his nose and his mouth. So as a lion, we have both of them connected. Right, so starting with the nose. He's got his mouth. Goes like that. So the lip's gonna be black as well. Like that. Now it's gonna have that chin or jaw. Some beard. Some hair texture. Like that. And then it's gonna have this mustache kind of thing coming out. It's gonna have about 16 lines, 16 dots, you could say. Oh wait, 20. Then hair coming out of most of them. This gets connected above that part, and then he's got his part of his face between his face and head. That moves up till there and then comes down with a couple of spikes and goes up. And we move for the left side. Gets down as well. So here also we can have those dots. Or like that. Obviously some texture for his cheek side. Also for his forehead. Very little bit for this part of his nose. Yeah, that's enough for his face. Now, I think we should move for the second layer of his hairs. So it's like one layer comes down like this, and then we got the final border, which concludes our drawing. So the second layer begins with right here, and it covers most of his ears. Goes down, then it comes up again from there. And he's got his ears, right like that. There's one coming down. Now, obviously, gain some furry texture. I'm going for the right side. So like that. That's it for a second layer. And now we could jump out for the final layer. So this is border. So it starts from right on the bottom of the page. See some spikes. Keeps moving up. Now some texture for that. For the other way now. Now we're gonna have some shadows. So starting with the first layer, that's his head. Now the second layer begins from covers his ears. Now for the final layer. ears darkened as well. Right, like that. So that's it for lion. So this part. Yeah, that's it for lion. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I liked it. I hope you also liked it. Alright, see you in the next one. That's it for today. Subscribe for more such content. That's it.